back to my channel. If you've never seen this face before, my name is Chaunna and you should definitely subscribe because I post new videos every single week. And this week, I am making the ultimate TikTok breakfast. First, you might be a little confused of my background. I usually don't film here, but I'm in the kitchen, the one place I truly belong. And I'm not just saying that because I'm a woman, because I really like food. So last night I was on TikTok and I saw that pancake cereal was trending. Basically, in a nutshell, Stitch! Here, I have to hold my dog. Basically, it's tiny, tiny little pancakes, and then you make cereal out of the tiny little pancakes, and it's called pancake cereal. And it looks and sounds really, really, really good. He sees birds in our backyard, so he's about to freak out. It's like burping a baby. So yeah, and then I was just like, oh, pancake cereal. You know, I can make that for breakfast tomorrow. But what do I also need when I eat breakfast? My morning coffee. Now I could just make my normal brewed coffee or my normal Keurig coffee. Then I was like, hey, what if I make whipped coffee? The coffee that you see all over TikTok. Whipped coffee was more popular about a month ago. I never tried it because I didn't think I would like it because I like coffee to taste like coffee, if that makes sense. So I knew I wouldn't really like it because I know you add sugar in instant coffee. I'm not really a fan of instant coffee. And I don't put sugar in my coffee. I like my coffee to literally taste like coffee. I don't add creamer, I don't add sweetener. I just have coffee and almond milk and that is it. You know what's really triggering? Those teenage girls that are like, oh my god, I'm addicted to coffee. I can't go a day without my coffee. But then their coffee is this much coffee and this much creamer. Honey, you're not addicted to coffee, you're addicted to creamer. If you like your coffee like that, I'm not hating on it, drink whatever the heck you want, but for me, I like coffee to taste like coffee. So yeah, I never tried the whipped coffee because I didn't think I would like it, but in order to complete my TikTok breakfast, I'm gonna need to make it to go with my pancake cereal. Yeah, welcome to episode 1 of Cooking with Chaunna. And Stitch. He's not gonna eat any of it, but he's here for emotional support in case I burn the house down. I think I'm gonna do the pancakes first and then do the coffee. Okay, so I got my pancake mix and my banana. I'll eat normal pancakes. Stitch! Okay, so I got my pancake mix, but you see, there's the pancake mix with the eggs and the milk and the whatever. I'm pretty sure my entire family as a whole is incapable of baking. So we always get the just add water pancake mix because laziness. And I always like banana pancakes. If you've never tried banana pancakes, try it. It is the best. It's so much better than normal pancakes. So I'm also gonna add a mushed banana. Oh, and I also hate measuring because I just do. So I don't measure. I always just add the powder and then I add the water and then I see how it looks and then I mix it together and then I see what happens. It works, so whatever, I don't care. It is 11:30 now and I still haven't had my morning coffee, which is a problem. I was about to drink some coffee before making this video and then make the whipped coffee, but if I had too much caffeine, I think I would be more annoying than usual. And so if I act a little bit weird or crazy or psychotic, that's why I don't mean to be one of those basic ass hoes who are I'm not the same without my morning coffee. But really though, I feel bad. I already yelled at my mom twice this morning because I didn't drink my coffee. Sorry, mom. And I'm also making some of the cereal stuff for my mom because I told her I would make her food and she was so surprised because I don't make food ever. I'm no Gordon Ramsay. There's fluffy pancakes and there's the thin pancakes. I like fluffy pancakes, so that means my batter needs to be thicker, you know? And I'm gonna mush my banana. Guys, did you know? My name is Chaunna, obviously you knew that. But my parents used to call me Chaunna Banana, even though that's not how you say banana, but fun fact. Alright, so now I'm gonna add the bananas in my mix. So yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to talk about while I'm cooking, because I need to focus on this. So my smoke alarm is going off and I haven't even started cooking yet. So if you hear random beeping in the background, that wasn't my fault. So now is the hard part where you have to squeeze it into the little droplets. So I could do drops like this, but then I saw someone put it in a bag and then squeezed it out and I thought that looked super sick. So we're gonna do that. You know the bags you get from the grocery store? I can never open them. Oh wait, I opened it. So I'm gonna put it in the corner and then cut a hole, to pipe it or whatever it's called. Oh, okay, it's working, I shouldn't have done this. Ta-da! This is my bag. This doesn't look like what it does in the TikToks. My stove has a fan, so I don't know if you can hear me that well, but my smoke alarm's already going off, so I need that. Okay, I cut a hole. Here goes nothing. Oh, that didn't work. Bad idea. Okay, wait. I'll just do drops like this. Wait, my pan's not big enough. I'm running out of room. What do I do? Yep, I burned them. Okay. Ooh, they kind of look cute though. Okay, and now I'm on round 2. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, this one's going a lot better. It's coming out slower. Wait, I'm actually doing good. Oh, I just dripped it on my phone. I'm kind of hungry, and this one was the first blob that came out from the first batch. So I'm gonna do a little taste test. That's good. Ta-da! Okay, I kind of use my hand a lot because I don't know how to work this thing. They are like little babies. Look how adorable that is. Like, that's so cute. Alright, hopefully this is the last round. Chef Chaunna at your service. Oh, that was such a bad idea. Why did someone do it on TikTok? Oh my god, it's so hot. Like, this is actually making me like sweat. They say if you can't take the heat, get out of the kitchen. I think I need to get out of the kitchen. Okay, so now we're gonna make the coffee to go along with our scrumptious breakfast. By the way, I've never tried either of these things before. I don't know if I mentioned that. 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and then 2 teaspoons of hot water. Oh, I need hot water. I'm just gonna microwave water. Oh, and I need a whisk. Do I even have a whisk? And I got my instant coffee and my sugar. I'm pretty sure this is sugar. It might be salt. It's sugar. I don't really like sugar. I might put a little bit less than 2 tablespoons because this is the most sugar I've ever eaten in a lifetime. And then you do 2 tablespoons of hot water and then you whisk. Is this how you whisk? I don't actually know how to whisk. Okay, wait, I need to watch more TikToks. I'm kind of confused. Oh my god. I'm literally sweating. This is my workout for today. Chloe Ting who? Alright, so I've literally been whisking for over 10 minutes. It's not as light as it looks in the TikToks. Maybe it's just the lighting. I don't know. I've been whisking for way too long. I'm pretty sure my arm didn't fall off. So that's the best we're getting. I don't have any cute mason jars, so I'm just gonna use my Starbucks cup. I need ice. Okay, so I got my ice and I got my almond milk. This is just original almond milk. I think it's gonna look cute in this cup, so I'm gonna use this cup instead. Okay, that's kind of way too much ice. That was a bad idea. Why am I full of bad ideas today? I don't know. Alright, so I'm gonna heat up these really quick on the pan so they're like crunchy and then we'll dine. Alright guys, finally the chef gets to relax. So here we are, I got my almond milk and my 100% pure maple syrup because I'm a real Canadian. We don't play games with our maple syrup. So I saw you add maple syrup to your cereal and then you add the milk. I'm gonna show you guys my whipped coffee up close. I don't think I whipped it enough, but why did I get a fork to eat cereal? I got a spoon. I don't know why I was thinking a fork, obviously, because pancakes, but moment of truth. Wait, it's actually really good. Kind of like Honey Nut Cheerios and Frosted Flakes mixed together.
Oh, you're supposed to give me some?
Yeah, I made you a bowl. Sit here.
Ooh. Oh my
Come
god,
sit here.
they're so cute.
What are bananas in
Are you
it?
having liquor right there?
No, I just used one of Dad's fancy glasses. So wait, I'm gonna get my mother to join me so she can see that when I live by myself, I'm okay and I will survive and I can make food for myself. Yeah, see, like it's a bit whippy, like whipped, but it's still pretty watery, but...
Sorry. Almond milk? All right, where's my share? What is that?
I don't like the whipped coffee though.
That looks gross. How many spoons is in there?
Not a lot. Why is it a fork? It's cereal.
Where'd you get the idea from?
TikTok. That's where I get all my ideas, mother. Isn't it good?
Yeah, but I don't know about the milk though. I do like pancakes though.
I don't like this whipped coffee. The thing is, I don't like sugar in my coffee, so this just tastes bad. Do I have to drink that?
No. I wouldn't drink it if I were you. I'd have a freaking heart attack.
I'm gonna make a real coffee. So many people hyped it up so much. I was so excited to find my new favorite coffee drink. I think my body is just like, what's the word? Not immune, but like body doesn't like sugary things. Cause like when I was a kid, my parents like never bought me and my sister like sweets or like junk food ever. Like sometimes on like special occasions at parties and stuff, we would drink it. Comment down below if your parents did this too. It might have just been my parents, but like we weren't allowed to eat the unhealthy like junky cereal. And if we wanted like the junky cereal, we had to mix it with healthy cereal. So like if I wanted like the Reese's Pieces cereal, that was my favorite cereal growing up, I'd have to mix half of it with like cornflakes or like a healthy adult cereal because my parents didn't want mine and my sister's brain to rot with Lucky Charms and Frosted Flakes. This is how I like my coffee. With just black coffee with a little bit of almond milk is the way to go. I freaking wasted my almond milk on that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I made my breakfast and now I have to wash all the dishes. And if you know, I'm Asian, so if you're Asian too, you probably know this, we don't have dishwashers, so I need to hand wash all the dishes. Perks of being Asian. The pancake cereal, 10 out of 10, would recommend, would probably make again for breakfast. Maybe not with the milk though, because it got soggy really fast, so I just had to eat it really fast instantly. So yeah, and it was kind of a lot of work to make with the bag, the drops, and then the flipping. It was kind of a lot of work. I'd probably just eat normal pancakes. But if you've never tried banana pancakes, add it in. It makes it so much better than normal pancakes, and it's my favorite thing in the world. Yeah, whipped coffee is not it. Maybe it tastes really good to some people, but there was so much hype around whipped coffee and like, ugh. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any other like TikTok things that you want me to try, let me know down below and I'll give them a shot. Can't make any promises that it'll work, but I'll try anyways. Or if you guys like this Cooking with Chaun, Cooking with Chaunna, whatever you prefer, if you like this little series on my channel, also let me know down below and I could do more. So yeah, that's all. Okay. Usually I do the thing, but I can't reach my camera from here, so I'm just gonna have the screen fade to black. Okay, bye.